Chapter 10 Circles. Example 1. The question is, given an arc of a circle, complete the circle. An arc of a circle is given. I am marking it as AB. We have to complete the circle. For completing the circle, actually what we have to identify first is the center of the circle. For getting the center, we have to draw two chords of the circle. So I am drawing AC and BD as two chords. Then what you have to do is you have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of these two chords. So take more than half of this AC and draw an arc, two arcs from A and two arcs from C. So mark the point of intersection of these two as P and Q. Then join P and Q. Join PQ. Same way, draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. Take more than half of BD and draw two arcs from D and two arcs from B also. Mark these 2 points as R and S. Then join R and S. So take the point of intersection of these two bisectors of these two chords as the center O. Mark it as center O. And take O as the center, complete the circle. O as the center, OB or OD as the radius, complete the circle. This is the required circle. So what we have done is, given an arc of a circle, we have completed the circle. So first we have identified the center by drawing the two chords and their perpendicular bisectors. And the point of intersection of these two bisectors is the center of the circle. And taking it as the center, OB or OD or OC as the radii, you can complete the circle. Then exercise 10.3. Exercise 10.3. Second question. Suppose you are given a circle. Suppose you are given a circle. Give a construction to find its center. Give a construction to find its center. So what is given? A circle is given. We have to identify the center. A circle is given. We have to identify the center. Same procedure. You have to mark or draw two chords AB and CD. Draw two chords AB and CD. Then draw the perpendicular bisectors of these two. So for getting the perpendicular bisector, we have to take more than half of AB. Draw an arc from two arcs from A and two arcs from B also. Join these two. Same way, draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. Take more than half of CD. more than half of CD and draw the arcs from C and D. Join these 2 points. The point of intersection of these 2 perpendicular bisectors, this is the center of the circle. So, the question is, suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. What we have done first is, we have drawn 2 chords of this circle and we have drawn the perpendicular bisectors of these 2 and we have taken the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors as the center of this circle.